Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Toyota Yaris. Basically, customer told his indicator light not work. However, he tried to check the fuse. He remove one by one only engine bay fuses. Then after that reconnect. While he start the car rave go until 3000 RPM. Then after that he switch off the car. After that he try to start the car. It's not start. Same time he mentioned, I'll forget to tell you, while he start the car, when RPM went up and he smelled burning somewhere, then after that he switch off. Then after that car not started. Then after that someone attend to car and he managed to start the car and he said it's alternator problem. We'll see this car actually has an alternator problem or something else. Right. First of all, I'm going to start the car because last night I left it for the charging the battery. Now it has enough charging. I'm going to check the battery voltage. You can see 14.46. Yeah, this car doesn't need any alternator. This vehicle has 380 amperes. 380 amperes. Yeah, negative to negative, positive to positive. Right, we'll see how is the battery. Enter regular battery 380. Right, I'm going to check the battery. Yeah, it's saying good battery, it has a good health and charging 100%. Yeah, but I'm going to do the crank test next. I'm going to escape from here, going to do the cranking test, second one. Yeah, start the engine. Yeah, it's little bit cranking low because it's went 7.83 volts. It's not good sign. Yeah, now I'm going to check alternator next time. Okay, switch off the car please. Going to the next one, press OK. Start the car and rev RPM 2500. Rev and 2500 and hold 5 seconds. 2500 and 5 seconds please. Okay. Charging normal. Yeah, all good for me. But I feeling while it's crank the car, it's take a huge battery power. That's why it's battery bit low, cranking power bit low. However, I'm going to keep it running half an hour and I'm going to check the car tomorrow morning. If it all goods, I'm going to call to the customer and ask them to take it back the car. At the moment, I can confirm he don't want new alternator basically because the I don't know who attend to the job, might be somewhere Konakato, I don't know. But to be honest to me, he don't want alternator at the moment. That's 100% confirmed because alternator doing the job. He might be need a battery, but at the moment too early. I'll come back to you tomorrow morning. Hi, welcome back to the channel. We left it overnight this car. Then I'm going to start the car now. Can you start the car please? Yeah, switch off and start again please. Yeah, it's starting. Then his second question, his indicators not working. Right, we'll see now indicators. Yeah, you can see indicators working. Other side. Yeah, all indicators working. His second question, indicators. Yeah, all fine for me. Yeah, see, right, right. Basically, this customer came for me to do his alternator because someone attended to the car and he said this customer need an alternator, and also this customer say his, what do you call, indicators not working, but now you saw indicators working. I left the car overnight and just start the car. It's all fine, all good for me. So I don't want to do any repairs of this car because he came to me do the alternator. But I'm going to say him, look, your car all fine for me. If you need it, if he say to me, Charlie, please do the alternator, I will do the alternator. But to be honest, I don't want to add unnecessary part for the any cars. Okay. Anyway, you got something new, but always better to take a second opinion or second advice. Then you can save a lot of money because if this customer sign up with him, might be he will do the alternator, and this customer unfortunately going to spend unnecessary money because this alternator bit expensive, around nearly 300 pound or 280 something, very expensive alternator. 100 amp alternator for the Toyota Yaris, very expensive. So he's going to spend unnecessary maybe 400, 450 pounds. So I'm happy I can save his money. Yeah, if you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Please comment below, please subscribe, please follow. You can save a lot of money like this guy. Okay, if you need to join with us, our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, link below, please join and you can ask your question in there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.